make a chain with 6 stitches, then close it with a single stitch. Make 3 stitches, then yarn over the thread to begin to make 17 double crochet inside the ring. Then close it with a single stitch. Make 2 chain, then make single stitch in each stitch around the ring. Then close it with a single stitch. Using a new color yarn or using the same color yarn, we make 5 stitches. Make triple crochet in the same single crochet to make 2 rings in the hook. Then make another triple crochet in the same single crochet to make 3 rings in the hook. Finally, pull the yarn through 3 rings. Then repeat the steps from make 5 stitches, then 3 trebles in the same single crochet, then collect them with 1 single crochet.